Batangas City. Kaya, ang bunso kong anak, pinakamaganda na bunso, at pinakamaganda ko rin asawa. Ang buo niyang pangalan ay Candida. Pero Candy, per short. Ang aming isa pang kapatid, si Ate Lolit, at ang aming pang isang apo, si Kai. Ang bunso ay si Kai Dennis. So, if you have time, visit our resort sa Silang. It's only about 45 kilometers from here. From Calax exit, Silang Farmhouse.
It's a family resort.
Small place.
Very clean, very nice. It's big and smart.
Manya! Oo! Nag-stay si isang Kumboy doon for 3 nights, 2 nights. Napunta na rin sila Kuya Erning. Kaya, all of you, welcome. Okay. So, yun lang po. From, in behalf of my mother, Irene Ador Dionisio Valerio, magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat.